Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to enable or disable startup in Avast Secure Browser. So how to enable or disable startup in Avast Secure Browser. So this is very useful if you don't want your PC to lag whenever you're starting up, or if you just don't want to use your Avast Secure, or if you want to use your Avast Secure whenever your PC starts up. So this video is for you. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Avast Secure Browser, and once you're here, click on the three dots on the top right. After clicking on the three dots on the top right, go down below and click Settings. After clicking on Settings, just scroll down until you reach right over here on Startup. So launch Avast Secure Browser automatically when computer starts. As you can see, mine is on. When it's off, it's like this. So when you want to enable it, just click on it. And every time your PC starts up, your Avast Secure Browser will also start up. And if you up it, and every time your PC starts up, it will not start up with your PC. You'll have to manually click on the Avast Secure Browser for it to start up. And another way to do this is by going to Taskbar, Task Manager. Once you're here at your Task Manager, just type in Task Manager here. Click on Startup. After clicking on Startup, find the Avast Secure Browser. Then there you go. Then right click and click Enable. So when it's enabled, it will start up with your computer. And when you click Disable, it will not start up with your computer. And there you go, guys. That's how you enable or disable your Avast Secure Browser. And a little bit of tip for you guys: when you're using your task manager, you don't have to right click on it. You can just click right here down below, enable, and you can click disable for turning it off. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.